Action.
Okay, so this is actually one of the replacement doors. However, I'm just going to demonstrate how you would measure positions of hinges as if this was one of your old doors. So on the basis that this is an old door, what you want to do is measure from the top of your door to the centre of each one of your hinges. So we've got 3 hinges on this door. It's best to measure from one end to the centre of your hinges rather than take your first measurement here and then measure up from the bottom. It's a lot easier for us in the workshop to correspond to your instructions if you measure from one end only. So what we need you to do is measure to the centre of the hinge. So as close as you can get it to the centre of this point or here. And the other way to do it, which we've shown in one of our tutorial videos, is you could remove this hinge in the centre. If you remember, there's a small pinhole which is used as a guide for the cutter. So you can always take these out, measure to the centre of the hole using that guide piece. So simply place your tape on the top. We know this one's 100mm, that's how we set them in the workshop. Then you come to your centre one, get your head down there and have a good look, and you'll be able to just eye up where that comes. If you find it difficult to see on the millimetre side, you can always use the inch side. Take your tape measure off and have a look what that corresponds to on the millimetre side to make it easier. So when you send us your measurements, always measure from one end to the other. So when you measure the bottom hinge, you'll do exactly the same as you've done here, just to the centre of the bottom hinge there. And that's how you measure your hinges.